Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 68 indicators. And out of those 68 indicators, 19 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded our 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 19 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is a TradingView member created indicator. It is called the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern. And as you can see here, the creator of the indicator has built in these lines, and they have built in signals to whether you go long entry or a short entry. They've also built in a take profit and a stop on these as well. So pretty cool indicator that's been developed here. Now, anytime I am looking to test an indicator, I will often go in and I will tweak it a little bit. And that's because I still want to stick with my my designated take profit and stop. Without this designated take profit and stop, you really start to get outside the realm of money management. And so, yeah, a lot of these indicators that are set up like this, you know, if you're not working with a stable foundation with your take profit and stop, then you can get in trouble really quick with trying to determine whether or not an indicator can be profitable, and, you know, yeah, just stuff along those lines. And so what I often do is I will disregard the take profit and the I'll often disregard the take profit and the stop when an indicator is built like this, because I already know what is the best take profit and stop. I just need to know when this gives me a signal to go long or go short, whether or not I was able to achieve a winning trade using my money management practices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and I think there should be, yeah, so there's the ability to remove that. Okay, and there's the ability to remove the labels as well. And so basically what we have left are these arrows. And these are the entry arrows. And so a green arrow is an entry long, and a red arrow is an entry short. Pretty simple, and that's how we are going to test it. When it gives us a green arrow, we'll go long. When it gives us a short arrow, we will go short. Let's see what we can get out of this indicator. Of course, we will be, there is a long signal right there. Of course, we'll be watching for repainting or any other weird things that indicators might do. Alright, so far, so good. That was a winning trade there. So, not too bad, not too bad at all. Wow, look at that. It actually took off even farther. That would have been a really decent trade if you would have had a... Alright, there we go. Nice. Another really decent trade right there. Yeah, so far so good. I'm liking this so far. It seems to be a little slow on getting us in to a trade, but sometimes that is, you know, the sacrifice you have to make. Another signal there. Let's see. Let's measure this out here. So signal, this would have been open, and we would have gotten a win on that one also. Not a huge one, but a win nonetheless. Another short signal there. What's it going to do? It's eventually went down. So let's see. Let's measure this out to see if it stopped us out. 90 pips up. Unfortunately, it did barely stop us out there. That is unfortunate. Now, it is completely reasonable if that if someone wants to take this indicator and trade it off of its original, let's see. So take profit there, stop loss here. Yeah, so that one would have been a winning trade off the original way the original way that the creator coded it, is what I'm trying to say. And so yeah, I mean, it's possible if you want to grab this indicator and test it off of the the signals that it gave. The only problem is you start to throw off your win-loss ratio when it comes to your take profit and your stop loss. And so, yeah, you can get yourself into trouble really quick. But if you manage your account just by size, then, it's possible that you might be able to get something decent out of this. Well, that one almost made it, but not quite. But again, like I said, when you start to throw off your win-loss, your take profit and stop ratios, and things start getting really weird. Just for the sake, let me look here. So here's an example. This is the entry right here, right? And so take profit is to here. So 90 pip take profit, which isn't horrible, but the stop is 180. So that's almost a 2 to 1 in the negative. And so you can see how, and again, same way here, take profit is 150 roughly. The stop loss is 280. And so what you fall victim to is You get a few small wins, a few small wins, a few small wins, a few small wins, and then you take one massive loss that just wipes out all your wins. And so this is where you have to offset the winning side, your take profit on the win side versus your stop on the losing side. And that will, balance itself out to where if you have a 60% winner, then you are at least breaking even. Anything above 60% with, again, a reasonable, any reasonable exit indicator, and you will be well into being profitable. And so you have to be very cautious of any indicator that has you offset the stop loss so far out compared to your take profits. I've played that game many times and it almost never works out in your favor. See here to there. Keep plugging along here. We're actually getting pretty close to the end of the year now. Not too far off from the end of the year. And again, this indicator seems to still be doing really well based off of our take profit and stop loss. Now, could it done better off of the creators? I don't know. Haven't tested it, but again, it's not a bad idea to throw it out there and see what it can do. Measure this one out here. Yep, didn't get there. Nice. We are into December. Almost the end of the year, and there we are. That is the end of the year there. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's add them up here and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners. Yes, that is a really decent win-loss ratio on that one. That is not bad at all. I think that puts it at, sorry, what did we say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. So that is an 80% winner right there. And so again, with a reasonable stop in place, a reasonable take profit that we have set, we have an 80% winner. And so, yeah, there's another really great indicator that people can put in their tool bag to get out there and start playing around with and trading and see what they can do with it. So, yeah, really cool. We found another really decent indicator. My take on it is that, again, it seems to be a little slow in catching the trends at the right time. There's just a few instances like this one right here. I definitely feel like there was a possibility to get in a lot sooner. This one right here, I feel like there was a possibility to get in a lot sooner. This one right here, I feel like there was a possibility to get in a lot sooner. This one, possibly sooner. And so, yeah, it's a little slow, but all in all, it was given some really good signals. And so right now, the goal is not to really concentrate on perfection. The goal right now is to just be profitable. Be profitable with our take profit and our stop loss, our money management style that we're using, because we know that that is one of the best money management and take profit strategies that we can use. And so if we can be profitable with that and use the indicator, an 80% winner, so even if we, even if we don't have the best of exit indicators, even if we just, you know, kind of just fudged it on the exits, then we would, be profitably trading with this indicator. And so right now, we're just kind of building a small foundation of really good indicators that we can play with. And then later on, we can go in and we can refine them and we can add in other indicators and, figure out which ones give us the quickest signals, but still very accurate and so on. So, all right, yeah, there you have it. 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern. Indicator will go on the yes list and we will move on from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.